How's everybody doing? Esteban here at Flexpipe headquarters. Today let's have a look at this really nice structure here. Really cool the way that they've done this concept here. We have an HDPE angled surface, so with an acrylic on top. This here is going to be great for providing information, how to probably the procedure of how to go about using this particular workstation. We have a nice setup with two extensions on both sides here with the flow racks here, providing the material needed. We also have the doubled flow racks here in order to have this area here in order to be able to, I would imagine, prepare whatever is going to be getting shipped out. And then we have a return on the bottom here, and this is now being used with the lift kit here, so we'll be able to adjust the heights depending on the individuals who are going to be working with this particular structure. So it's just a really cool setup overall, and really taking advantage of all the different type of accessories and materials that we have here at Flexpipe. So have a look at it, get inspired, and I'll see you guys next time.